Hello, welcome to another tutorial video. In this one, I'm gonna be showing you a Telegram tutorial video. Now, Telegram is a really great app. It's wonderful. You can send a lot of stuff HD or whatever, and you can get a lot of scam messages such as the deleted accounts over here as well. I don't know why. Are you Cassian? Hello, Jeffrey. Where are you? I'm not even Cassian nor Jeffrey. What the hell? But the thing is, why I'm showing you this on my desktop right now is because it has one feature that's shown the title of this video that showed on the title of this video that actually is not available on the phone or like any of the mobile versions, at least not on Android. I can't speak for iPhone users because I'm not using an iPhone, but here we are on my desktop and I'm going to show you how you can actually export your chat history. Now I'm going to go over to just my own messages with myself here on saved messages, and in order to export your chat history, just head over here on the top right on these three dots, click on export chat history. This option is actually not available on your phone, and you can check it out for yourself if you don't believe me. So now you have the choice if you want to just export photos, videos, voice messages, video messages, stickers, gifs, or just literally everything. Well, I'm just gonna export photos for this one, and then there's a size limit on how much you can export. I'm just gonna go with the lowest, go 5. You can choose what format you want it to be, whether it's HTML or JSON, and you can choose the path by clicking here. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and you can choose whether you want it from the oldest messages, like you can choose a date of when you can start up till the present. Well, it starts with September 2025. We can choose it to start along like June 1 until now. So you just click now on export, and then you just wait for the data to be exported, and you'll see it's being worked on. I think that the wrong part is that I went in to the past, like way too far in the past. So like now it's taking a bit while, and then, as you can see, the data has been exported successfully. You go to show my data over here, and you'll see that it has been turned into this, even into photos. So this is the total chat history that I have. It shows it in this manner. It's perfectly unpreserved here. You can see the photos, the chats, the video files. Just not you can play the videos, that's for sure, but you have the photos here saved. This is what were included in the chat history. But basically that's it. You just basically have to do that. Export chat history, choose what you want, and choose the limit, choose the path, choose from what date to until when to then. So yeah, it's that simple. I hope this video helped you. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.